Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Hope you all doing well and in good health. So yeah, it's me again, Adiba Boufeldja, GDG Tlemcen organizer from Algeria and software engineer at ATM Consulting. And I am also Andila Google Cloud mentor. So I will be with you during this session to talk about Cloud SQL for SQL Server as a part of the Cloud Week of GDG MENA Digital Days initiative. And before we start, let me invite you to join our weekly challenge. So as every week, if you complete 6 quests, you can win a gift box from Google, and if of goodies. And if you complete more than 6, you can win a Google Home Mini. And let me remind you to fill the feedback form to get your attendance certificates by the end of this session. So, in our session, we will talk quickly about Cloud SQL for SQL Server. So we will start by defining the Cloud SQL, its concepts and use cases. Then we will move to see if our data is safe in Google Cloud SQL, and then we will focus on Cloud SQL Server, its features and capabilities. And at the end, we will have a quick demonstration using Qwiklabs. So first, what is Cloud SQL? So Cloud SQL is a fully managed relational database for MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. And it reduces cost and automates that database provisioning, storage capacity, management, replication, and backups. It offers quick setup with standard connection drivers and built-in migration tools. So what are the benefits of Cloud SQL? Let's start with secure and complement. Here, with data encryption at rest and in transit, with private connectivity with virtual private cloud and user-controlled network access with firewall protection. The second point is scale as you go. Here, the Cloud SQL offers you the possibility to scale your instance effortlessly with a single API. Whether you start with simple testing or you need a highly available database in production. The third point is setup in minutes. Here, the standard connection drivers and built-in migrational tools allow you to create and connect to your first database in just few minutes. How to set up Cloud SQL? Cloud SQL is easy to set up. You just have to select the region and zone where you would like the instance to be, and it gets created there. You also have a lot of configuration options. When you can select the machine type with the right number of CPU and amount of memory you need. So you can also choose storage each type between solid state and hard disk drivers. And here, depending on latency queries per second and cost requirement. And then you can set storage capacity. And here, higher storage capacity leads to better performance. Let's move now to Cloud SQL concepts. And in the next slide, we will describe all the features and capabilities of Google Cloud SQL with both MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server, which means we will talk about all the shared features between them. So Cloud SQL is a fully managed system, which means that the cloud here automatically ensures your database are reliable, secure, and scalable. So, so that your business continues to run without any disruption. Fully managed means also that Google Cloud SQL automates all your backups, replications, encryptions, patches, and capacity increases. The second key feature, secure access and connectivity. Cloud SQL data is encrypted when on Google's internal networks and when stored in database temporary files and backups. Also, Cloud SQL supports private connectivity with virtual private cloud VPC. And here, every Cloud SQL instance includes a network firewall allowing you to control public network access to your database instance. Cloud SQL offers an automatic storage increases that can automatically scale up storage capacity when you near your limits. And in this way, you don't have to spend time estimating future storage needs or spend money on capacity until you need it. For production application, it is recommended to enable high availability, and by enabling this feature, the database instance will automatically fail over to another zone in your selected region in case of an outage. You can also create cross-regional replicas to protect to protect from regional failures. In addition, you can enable automatic storage increase to add more storage when nearing your capacity. Now, how can you migrate an existing MySQL database to Cloud SQL? Here, Cloud Console will make it very easy by providing a migrate data button, which guides you through easy steps. First one, you provide the first one you provide your data source. Details things like public IP address, port number, and your replication credentials. The second step is you create a Cloud SQL with replicas, just like we discussed is in the creation process using a SQL dump file. And third, you sync the read replica with source, and finally you promote the read replica to primary instance with very low downtime. Let's move now to the automated backups and recovery. Cloud SQL also offers automated backups and recovery options. You can set time slots and location for backups. You can use Cloud SQL as a relational database for your applications that are hosted within Google Cloud, like App Engine, Compute Engine, Cloud Run, Kubernetes Engine, Cloud Function. You can also connect your Cloud SQL database with applications that are hosted outside of Google Cloud. In addition, Cloud SQL offers standard MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server database, ensuring application compatibility. Here to build and deploy for the cloud faster. Now, what are some of cloud cloud SQL use cases? The first one, build a containerized app with a scalable database. Here, Google Kubernetes Engine enables rapid development by making it easy to deploy, update, and manage your application and services. Cloud Seeker makes it easy to set up, manage, and administrate your PostgreSQL database on Google Cloud. And since Google Cloud is a relational database, you can use it with any online transaction processing apps, such as uh, order order or payments processing apps, where you need to handle frequent queries with fast response time. Now let's see if data is safe in Google Cloud SQL. Well, just like anything else at Google Cloud, the data in Cloud SQL is encrypted at rest and in transit. External connection can be encrypted using SSL and Cloud SQL proxy, which is a tool to help you connect to your Cloud SQL instance from your local machine. Let's move now to focus on SQL servers. So SQL Server is a managed database service that helps you set up, maintain, manage, and administrate your SQL Server database on Google Cloud Platform. Let's see its features. First, SQL Server. First, SQL Server is a fully managed database in the cloud. So, as we said previously, is a fully managed database where you can create, manage, and clone instance in the cloud in the Google Cloud Console, and where these instances are available in all region and zone. And there is a data replication between zones with the automatic failover. There is also an integration with Google Cloud's Operations Suite login and monitoring. Now, SQL Server Capabilities. So here, uh, custom machine types with up to 600 gigabytes of RAM and 96 CPUs, storage up to 13 terabyte with the ability to automatically increase its size as needed. SQL Server supports also the Cloud SQL proxy and the SSL TLS protocol. So as I said previously, is a tool to help you connect to your Cloud SQL instance from your local machine. SQL Server allow you to import database using backup and SQL files. Allow you also to export your database using backups files and so on. Supported language. So you can use Cloud SQL for SQL Server with App Engine applications that are written in Java, Python, PHP, Node.js, Go, and Ruby. You can also use Cloud SQL for MySQL with external apps using the standard MySQL protocol. Now, uh, how to connect to Cloud SQL for SQL Server instance. So you can connect to a SQL Server instance from SQL Server Management Studio, or from a client, or from the SQL CMD utility. Let's see them one by one. The first one is using the SQL Server Management Studio, which is a software application that is used for configuring, managing, and administrating all components within SQL Server. So it is like an integrated environment for managing any SQL infrastructure. The second way is using or from a client. So here you can connect a SQL Server client running locally on your client machine to your Cloud SQL instance. So before you start using this type of connection, you must have uh, created the Cloud SQL, including configuring the default users. You must have determined how you will connect to your instance and then install the SQL Server command line tools. And at the end, to use the local client you to connect to your Cloud SQL instance, you have three steps. Install the client, configure access to your client SQL instance, and then you are connected to your Cloud SQL instance. And of course, this type needs a lot of steps. Have a lot of steps, sorry, to do. That need a demonstration using Qwiklabs. The third one is using the SQL CMD utility. And now let's move to have a demonstration using Qwiklabs. Let's copy the password. Confirm. So we will see how to create an instance of SQL Server instance using GCP. Sorry about mess with the connection. Let's continue our session. So we will have a quick demo on how to create a SQL Server instance on GCP. So let's do it. So we are logging. You can find SQL here. On click on SQL. Then this is our demo instance that we have created. So let's continue our demonstration. So our demo instance is created. Let's see an overview of its configuration options. So here for CPUs, memory, SSD storage, you can find here your all the options of this instance. Here, when we click on users, here you can add user account that can manage this instance. Here we have backups options. You can create your backup, and here we can find all your operation or all your operation of your database instance. So that's all. I hope it's clear. So to learn more, I invite you to check these links: cloud Google/SQL, and here to know more about SQL Server Management Studio. Thank you for your attention. If you have a question, don't hesitate to write them. Let me check if we have some question. Okay, there is no question. So thank you so much for your attention, and Assalamu alaikum.